Hey folks, Sheila here from Design Files. I wanted to put together a quick video because I'm really excited to announce that our new full screen presentation mode is now available within your Design Files account. Now, we had a lot of requests from our members for this, and I completely understand why. So I just wanted to let you know that this is now available where you will have a full screen view for your presentations without having any sort of pagination or buttons or anything else distracting your client as you are walking them through your design concepts. Now, if you're interested in using this new presentation mode, and I highly recommend that you give this a try, keep watching and I'll show you exactly how you can set this up for all future client presentations. So we'll go ahead and we're going to use this particular project as an example. Now you can see here that within this project, I actually have a couple of folders and I've got some individual design boards here. And the key thing that you want to know about the new presentation mode is that it does respect the folders that you've created within your projects. So you can see here that I have a folder that's just for my design presentation. And if you do the same sort of thing, then what you can do is you can actually click into this folder so that you present just those slides, and it'll make sure that your client isn't seeing any archive designs or anything else, that any of these random boards. So I'm going to click into the folder. And then when I'm in this folder, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click the preview option up here. Now, when I go into the preview option, that's essentially taking me into the client-facing view. Now, if you don't see any of your design boards here, it just means that you haven't actually shared those design slides with your client yet. So, which is probably going to be the case because often when you're doing your presentations, you don't really want to share the slides ahead of schedule. So if you don't see any of your slides there, don't panic. All you need to do is use this toggle at the top here that says Show Drafts. Turn that on. It's going to show all the slides. It doesn't mean this is now available within your client portal. It's just showing for this particular session where you're going to be able to present. And then click the button to present. That will take you into the full screen presentation mode. From there, you can use the left and right arrows on your screen, or you could use the left and right keys on your keyboard as well to flip through all the individual slides. Now, as you're going through your slides, let's say that your client, you got to this kind of mood board slide, and let's say that your client had some questions about a particular product and they wanted to confirm some details, and you need to exit out of your presentation. So what you can do is you can click the X to exit out. And then what's good about this is that it's going to keep you in that client-facing mode so that if you do pop into this particular design and you come down to the product list, the client is only going to see the product information that you wanted them to see. So if you did hide price or shop buttons or vendors or anything else, then all of those details will remain hidden while you're in this whole presentation mode. And then of course, you can always kind of come back into the present mode right here and then continue to make your way through the rest of your presentation. So that's essentially how it works. And one other thing that I'll just bring to your attention here, I'm going to go ahead and close out of the client-facing view. If I was just working on my actual project and I'm putting together my design slides and I just want to get a sense for what that looks like, I can actually just click into any of these slides themselves. So you can see here I'm in my designer-facing mode. I can see all the navigation and all the information that's tied to this particular slide. But I can just click directly onto that, and then that would take me into this view where I can again flip through and I can just kind of review everything and see if it's kind of presenting in a way that I like or if I want to make any changes. But definitely jump into your Design Files account. We had so many requests for this particular update. I'm really excited that it's now available for you. It's going to allow you to just present in a much more professional manner. And of course, if you have any questions at all about how to use the new client presentation mode, then just reach out to us on the live chat. We are always happy to help. And actually, while I'm at it, go ahead and let us know your feedback. We always want to hear back from you and see if there's anything else that we can do to improve it. But anyway, just wanted to say thanks so much for watching and enjoy the new feature.